Hey, what's up guys? Quick review on this YowMoft dog grooming kit. I got this thing a couple weeks ago and it's been really helpful so far. So my dog hates going to the groomers because she had a problem with one of them. Like she got nicked a little bit when she was a younger puppy. So she hates going to the groomers now, and we've actually been banned from some of the groomers because she acts so crazy when we go. So we needed something so we could get her hair cut. So we got this and it's really a perfect solution. So we're able to just set it up, and it has a really nice vacuum on it. So when we're cutting her, just like sucks up all the hair and keeps it from getting all over the place. We've tried other ones, which is part of why we didn't like doing it at home, because it just gets so much hair all over. So this has been a perfect solution for that. And then it also comes with like really everything that you need. I mean, you have scissors, a little comb, like the detailed trimming, everything. It has actual clippers, and I thought that it was going to be kind of scary for her having the clippers and the vacuum, but considering that you have both pieces going at the same time, it's actually fairly quiet, and that part of it didn't seem to scare her as much as I thought it was going to. And having the vacuum actually made it easier to cut the hair too, because it kind of sucked the hair up into the vacuum, into the clippers, which made it easier to get a little bit more even cut. Obviously not professional dog groomer, but did the best we could, and just with all the pieces that were here, just helped it go much more smooth than it did when we tried without it. The vacuum, it does have, I think it was 5 speeds on it that you can use. So just simply plug it in, hit the power button, and then you can cycle through the fan speeds, the vacuum speeds, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Obviously it gets a little louder as you turn it up higher. And then it has like a really nice brush on here. So all these pieces hook up to the vacuum. So when you're using the clippers, it sucks into the vacuum. If you have a brush, so kind of a bigger dog that sheds or whatever, you brush them out and it will suck the dog hair into the vacuum. And then it also has like the paw trimming piece that made it really easy to trim our feet. And then one of the things for kind of cleaning yourself at the end to clean your clothes off, it has the fabric cleaner. So you hook that up to the vacuum and you can go ahead and like just vacuum and brush all the dog hair off of your clothes. So that was really nice and convenient. The other thing that I really like about this is that you have all the different pieces and the different guides on here. It comes with this really convenient tray. So I was worried at first, since it didn't have a bag, that I would lose all the pieces, but when I saw this tray, and it actually, all the pieces sit in here really nicely. So it just does a good job at keeping it organized. The only thing is that you have to have a space like on a shelf or counter or something somewhere that you're willing to leave it out so organized that it doesn't look like it's clutter. So it just looks like something that can belong there. So I love that. I think there is an option that they sell that does come with the bag, so that could be convenient if you don't want to have it like this, but costs a little bit more money. But otherwise, I mean, to me, I think this looks, like I said, professional and organized, and I don't really mind having it set out in the shelf. The only thing that I would say about it is that the scissors that it comes with aren't the best scissors. So we did kind of swap those out and use some of the ones that we had from before. But everything else, guys, seemed to work really good for us, and I'm super glad to have it. This bag of dog hair that we cut off her, it's almost as big as she is now, so that's kind of crazy. Yeah, it's a really good kit, has everything you need, and I'm just really grateful to have it. Definitely will be keeping it around and using it.